just coming back to preparation. So presumably, what kind of software products would you make sure that you're comfortable using?
I would
Because you
say, I
mentioned a
mean,
few.
there are lots of databases that
Mm.
companies will use. I
Yeah.
mean, they'll vary company to company,
Mm.
and we were trained on how to use each database beforehand.
Yeah.
And it actually turned out that we ended up knowing slightly more about some of the
Mm.
databases than the current analysts and associates, just because they hadn't had training on it. They'd
Mm.
just been told to kind of, well, just been told
Figure
like,
it out.
good luck, yeah,
Yeah.
have fun, which was quite funny. But and then often there's like specific software installed on the
Mm.
PowerPoint and the
Mm.
Excel. So I think that any specific stuff they'll teach you. And for
Mm.
example, we had Bloomberg, which I
Yeah.
loved using. I
Mm.
when like the internship ended, I really missed tapping away on Bloomberg. It was so much fun. But I definitely say just Word and Excel and not Word, sorry, Excel and PowerPoint
Mm.
skills are definitely kind of the two main ones that you need, I'd say.
Yeah.
And just the shortcuts on that will save you so
Mm.
much time. And the shortcuts on PowerPoint save an
Mm.
unbelievable amount of time.
Yeah.
Um,
It's being able to format and move things around and
yeah,
align things, right?
yeah,
That's super important.
aligning. And
Yes.
it's annoying because I have a MacBook at home,
Mm.
and when I kind of moved off from using the Dell or whatever we were using and back onto MacBook, none of the shortcuts are put in.
Work out.
So so I'm on PowerPoint going extremely slowly, and it was awful. But
So
yeah,
what were the highs and lows? Tell us about the highs and lows of the experience.
I think the highs would have to be kind of